So I got some time, only about a half hour this morning. It's a little windy out, but it's not raining or anything, and we have this area I want to repair on the gazebo. So overall, the gazebo is looking much better, and I've been thinking about it. I wish I would have done this 10 years ago. Put the old motor oil on it. I did do a coating with some other stuff, but it really didn't last at all, and it didn't sink in. Well, some of it did. I did buy some expensive stuff to put on. It was very expensive per gallon, and 1 gallon did not cover that much. So I did hit the areas that I was really worried about. But I could have done this years ago, and then this would be like a second or third coat, because it's not going to last forever. It's going to sink in. But I'm mainly worried about bug activity. Well, that and coating. Not really sealing it, but stopping bug activity and giving it for some protection. So overall, it has been good. I've noticed some bug holes, which do worry me, because sometimes it's worse than what you think. But I'm just hoping I got it soon enough. But here's an area I did not get soon enough. This rotted out, and I need to repair it. So I think I have enough time this morning to do this. So I've been thinking about it. I'm going to first try to dig out the rot. Hammer and chisel, mainly just chiseling it out. Then I'll get a measurement and go up to the wood shop and cut a board to fit in there and try to fit it in pretty snug. And then after that, I'm going to oil it. It's going to get saturated with oil. I'll either fasten it in by caulking, because hopefully I'll be getting into some clean wood, so I can caulk it in, or possibly put a screw in it to hold it in. Although it's probably not going to come out if I can wedge it in there good. Okay, so let's get cleaning it out. We'll see how big it is and then get a measurement.